Merry Christmas, everyone, from Mugen and the rats. Yes, I said you. I said you. You're going to get to open your gifts from Santa Paws. Yeah, yeah. What do you want to start with? Really? Okay, let's give the rats their gifts. Hold on. I mean, they stole theirs a little early, but there's the rest of them. Here you go. That's one for you. And here's one. You don't have to fight over it, girls. There's enough for both of you. There you go. Okay. Okay. Pookie, let's give you your stocking. This isn't yours, Mugen. This is Pookie's right now. Helps if I can get the rest of it out. This is Pookie's. Hold on. This is your stocking, right? This is your stocking, right? You want what's in it? Huh? 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 What's this? What's this? It's a braided bully stick. She's like, okay, I'm happy now. I'm happy. Pookie's over here checking out her toys. Hey, Mugen. You have two gifts under this tree. You got this one. And you got this one. Dum Dum. Look. She's like, no, I want to finish this first. Mugen, look what's in here. Look. She's like, oh wait, I've been trying to figure out what's in here for a long time. What's in there? What's that? What's this? What's that? What's this, Mugen? What is it? Huh? Huh? What is that toy? What's this? Does it squeak? Does it squeak? Ooh, what's that? She's like, oh my gosh, it squeaks. Yes, I see. What a lovely toy you have. Let's take your bully stick out of the lid. Mugen, right here. Get it. Get the toy. Get it. Oh, that was quick. What's that, Mugen? Is that your toy? You don't know what you want to play with first? No? What's that? Is this your bone? Mine. Hey, Pookie, you still have a gift, too. You have catnip. Pooka. Psst. No, this one's not yours. This one's Pookie's. Psst, 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 psst. She's like, I don't want to walk over there. The dog's going crazy. Here, Pookie, I'll give you your treat over here. I know, you want me to open your gift, Pookie. It was sealed shut pretty well. That's it. That's all the gifts. What's your favorite, Mugen? What toy do you like? What's your favorite toy? She's like, I don't know. I kind of like them all. Is that your favorite one? Or are you going to just bring it down with your big doggy friend and he's going to share it with you? I give this 5 minutes. Oh, thank you. Thank you for bringing me your toy. Yeah, you got the decoration. Oh, there goes the bow. Bah. Trying to tear it. Mm-hmm. Pookie's enjoying herself. Right, kitty? And I think they're doing okay in there. Yeah, they're nomming on the treat. That's it. Just wrapping paper there. Did you have a good Christmas morning? I'll take that as a yes. Mugen. Okay, I think Mugen's gonna enjoy the rest of her Christmas morning. Although Pookie's just getting started. Right, Pookie? Is that catnip really good? You seeing things right now, kitty? You're gonna start running around the house any minute now. Meow. You done with the catnip now? I know you're gonna go rub on everything. It's like you took, what is it, ecstasy they make, that they say makes you rub up against everything, that you love the feeling of everything? No, you're not chewing my 3DS charger. Now you're just gonna become part of the decorations. Oh, don't lick the decorations. You already make it look like there's a cowlick on it. Oh, this feels so nice. Does that feel nice, Pookie? Oh my god. And here she is with the feathers. You switch toys? Pookie. Meow. You love that. You're looking at the tree like, how can I do that to the big one, huh? Don't knock that over. Good job. And you took down some Christmas ornaments. She's like, whatever. I don't care. Right, kitty? Her eyes are huge.
I'm waiting for her to try to climb this tree now. Do something dumb.
Give it time, because the catnip's gonna set in and she's gonna go completely bonkers. She's gonna start running around the house, making sounds. Let's try not to knock that over again, Pookie. What you girls doing? Isabel, Emily. Pookie's gonna go solar charge.